Hi guys, what's up? It's me Shulagna and welcome back again to my channel. Yes, I am back with a brand new video, and this day I'm going to share with you the process of making handmade paper. Yes, I must say it is an heavy process, but you know, if you work hard then you can have the world on your feet. So it's a simple thing. Now without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Initially we need some old notebooks or magazines or papers, whatever you have with you, it's fine. And then we are going to recycle it and make a new one out of them. Here I have taken a bowl which is big enough, and then I am going to cut this paper into tiny pieces. As you can see, I have cut a bunch of paper. Now we are going to soak the paper into water for 24 hours, but if you leave it for 3 to 4 hours then it is also fine. But make sure the paper absorbs the water nicely. So I will leave it here for 24 hours. Hey, it's the next day, and as is evident, my paper has absorbed the water very nicely. Now I am going to make the pulp. Hence, for making the pulp, I have just grinded those tiny paper pieces and made a paste out of them. For the next step, what we need is that pulp, then this strainer or churning, what you can find at your kitchen, then some old cloths, some big cloths. I have taken my mom's sari. Then we need some colors. I have taken the poster colors and a big bucket with some water. As we are ready with the materials, now I am going to mix this pulp into this water. Now slowly sink your strainer into the water. And then gently scoop it out and strain all the water nicely. Here I have taken this surface over which I am going to place my strainer. I can't find anything better than this. And now what we are going to do is that we will place our cloth gently upon this strainer. Make sure you are doing this very gently, and then keep it here like this for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, take another cotton cloth and then slowly press over this strainer so that the remaining water drop down on the pot. Once again, leave it here for 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, I have already placed the cotton cloth underneath the pot. Now what I am going to do is I am going to remove the wet cloth very lightly. I have told you before that it is a heavy process and you have to have the patience in you to get an amazing result. It is clear that the water is completely drained out, but once again I am here dabbing with a cloth to make it more perfect. Okay, so now keep this pot aside, and then what we are going to do is we will flip this strainer and then slowly tap, and as you can see, the paper is coming out. Wow! But don't think it is the result of my first attempt. It was 10th or 12th. Now what we are going to do is that we will cover this paper to make sure this cotton cloth soak the remaining water. And then take a roller or balloon which you can find at your kitchen very easily, and then roll it over nicely. We are doing like so to make the surface of the paper smooth. Let's see how it is looking. Tada! Our handmade paper is almost ready, but once again we have to leave it here for 24 hours so that it completely dries. After it dries, it is looking something like this. Isn't it beautiful? So this is our handmade paper. The surface is a little bit crinkled, but it is the essence of the handmade thing. And now for these cute colored ones, what I have done is that I have taken these poster colors and mixed them with the pulp, as you can see here. For the green one I have used green color, and then for the red one I have used red. For the pink I have used red and white a little bit, and that's it. I hope you have find this video helpful and enjoyed a lot. If you, then please subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Follow me on my social medias. I'll be back soon with a new one. And yes, stay safe, stay happy.